we can write this question 2x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3 in the form of a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x plus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. First step. Now, next step is 2x plus 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3 is equal to a x plus 2 x minus 3 plus b x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c x minus 1 x plus 2 upon x minus 1 x plus 2 x minus 3 after taking the LCM. Now what we are having, 2x plus 1 is equal to a x plus 2 x minus 3 plus b x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c x minus 1 x plus 2. Is it clear? Now putting x is equal to, now let's start with putting x is equal to 1 because x minus 1 is 0, x is equal to 1. Putting x is equal to 1, we will be getting, on solving, we will be getting a is equal to minus 1 by 6, because when you are putting x is equal to 1 then this term and this term both will be 0, we are left with only a. Okay, putting x is equal to 3, or let it be x equal to minus 2, on solving, b is equal to, we are having minus 1 by 3, and putting x is equal to 3, on solving, we are getting c is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, on solving means what? You have to solve it. I have already solved this question. Okay, now the question becomes, now we can write it 2x plus 1 upon x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to a is what? Minus 1 by 6. So we are having minus 1 by 6 upon x minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3 upon x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 upon x minus 3. Okay. Now integration. Integrating, what we are having? Minus 1 by 6 dx of x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 dx of x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 dx of x minus 3. Is it clear? Now what the answer will be? Answer will be now minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 log of x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 log of x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 log of x minus 3 plus c. This is the answer. Now after this now we are having one alternative method also. Now alternative method to find values of A, B and C. Okay, so in some books you will be getting this type of terms also, but in some questions we have to apply both the things, this also and alternative method also, okay, to get the answers. Now what we were having this part. I am moving from this part. Now we were having 2x plus 1 is equal to A. From this part I am going, okay, from this part. 2x plus 1 is equal to A, multiplying these two. X square minus x minus 6 plus B, now multiplying x minus 1, x minus 3. We are having x square minus 4x plus 3 plus C, x minus 1, x plus 2. We are having x square plus x minus 2. Is it clear? I am not using these things. Now I am going to do something separate things. Now opening the brackets and writing in the coefficient forms, what we are getting, 2x plus 1 is equal to A plus B plus C x square plus minus A minus 4B plus C with x plus minus 6A plus 3B minus 2C, this one. Now comparing the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. Comparing the coefficients of x square, x and the constant term. Now what we are having? We are having A plus B plus C is equal to 0, because on the left hand side we are not having x square, number 1. Then we are having minus A minus 4B plus C is equal to 2. And then we are having minus 6A plus 3B minus 2C is equal to 1. Okay. So solving now. Solving 1, 2 and 3. What you are going to get it? You will be getting A is equal to minus 1 by 6, B is equal to minus 1 by 3 and C is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So you can go with this step also, you can move with this part also. Okay. But the answer is what? If you are putting these terms also, then also this is the answer. Remember this thing.